Welcome. If your Telegram groups are constantly buzzing and interrupting your day, you're not alone. Group chats can get noisy fast, especially when you're part of multiple active communities. The good news is that Telegram gives you full control over these notifications, and you can easily silence new message alerts from groups without leaving them. Let's walk through how to do it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram behaves, including notifications, privacy, and appearance. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls all alert-related features, so it's exactly where we need to be. Now scroll down a bit until you see the Group section and tap on it. This is where Telegram lets you manage notifications specifically for group chats. Under the Notify Me About section, you'll see an option called New Message in Groups. Simply toggle this option off. Once it's disabled, Telegram will stop sending you notifications every time a new message appears in your group chats. And that's it. You'll still be part of your groups and can check messages whenever you want, but without constant interruptions. For example, if you're in a busy work or hobby group that sends dozens of messages per hour, this setting helps you stay focused while still staying connected on your own terms. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the option back. That's how you can quickly mute new message notifications for Telegram groups and take back control of your phone.